But just recently, we've experienced some pretty crazy weather. It's been in the 90s. It's 30 plus for us Celsius guided people. But then we went to the local Home Depot and picked up this Gila heat control window film. And I thought I would just report two things to you about it, if it's something that might be of interest to you. It's just a shiny material, and it's 2-layer. You get it on there in place, and you use a squeegee to press out the bubbles that are in there. Then you trim it. You're a little over. You just trim the edge right down. Very simple, and you end up with this. So if you were standing here looking at it from me, this window was very slightly darker. So I wanted to find out, in preparation for this video, does it work? Yep, it works. So I chose a time when the sun was almost at 90 degrees to this window. And then I got thermometers. And I put that digital thermometer right here on the floor. There's pictures right here on the floor where the sun coming directly in the window shone directly on it. And you can see, I'm just guessing here, but I think that the temperature in that picture is 23 degrees, I'm guessing here, but where the sun was shining in through this untreated window. So I just simply moved the thermometer over there and sat and watched it climb. Yeah, up it goes. I think I got up to 31. I think I'm right. I could look at the pictures, one of those little devices that reacts to sunlight, and it spins when sunlight hits it. And I put that little device on the untreated side, right in the sun. I set it over there and watched it spin for a couple of minutes. Then I picked it up and set it over here, right in straight line on the floor where the sunlight was coming directly through this treated window. I moved it over here where the device was sitting on the floor in the direct sunshine coming through the treated window. And the device slowed right down. It was not getting the same amount of sunlight hitting it. So, bottom line, untreated, treated, much less light coming, much less heat, less UV rays coming through this treated window. Does this heat control or window tint actually keep your house cooler? My opinion, yep. And I think I've proved that. Talk to you soon. ALEC Peirce at the ranch.